We have an unknown contact, localized at 29er.
Confirmed. That matches the Baldwin schematic. Get a visual on it now.
Ladies, the sonar confirms the structure is heavily compromised here. We need to adjust the ROV approach.
Agreed. The depth charts show strong.
All right, team, tension the main cables. Slow and steady now. We are clear for the lift.
All right, team, masks on. Double check your hoses. We're heading in.
Drones are away. Check sonar. I'm seeing something faint on the grid. Rerouting scan pattern now.
Look at this. It's the payroll and the gold. Incredible. We found it.
Now, hold it right there. Perfect. Looks clear on this side, boss. Okay. Chains are tight. Keep it coming slow. Watch the clearance on the right. Easy now, easy.
Bring it in slow.
Clear on the right.
All right, lowering now.
Slowly now, just a few more inches. Watch the clearance on the right. Easy, easy.
We start with the cab removal here, then the boiler stays.
Careful with the undercarriage. There's a rusted here.
Look at the serial markings here.
1923 Baldwin, core intact as expected.
All right, team, let's begin. B, check the main valve. C, get that hoist ready.
Copy that. Starting the hoist now.
Clear the left side. Holding steady here. All right, take it down slow. Watch the clearance on the right side. Easy now, bring it up slow. This one's really seized up. Hold steady on that tray. Got it. Looks like it's finally moving. Okay, bring it down slow. Watch your spacing. All right, set it down right there. Easy, easy. Clear on the left. Bring it down easy, watch the clearance. Clear on the left side. All right, hold it there, coming down now. Easy now, bring it up another inch.
Holding steady, looks aligned on this side.
All right, push it in. That's the spot. Now get that torque wrench on there and secure the bolts tightly.
Yes, sir. Working on it now.
Lower it easy. Steady, steady. Clear on this side. All right, she's seated. Get the impact wrench. All right, hold it steady. Start the bolts on your side.
main assembly looks solid. How are the gauges reading?
Everything's in the green, just need to secure this last bolt. See how the light catches that pipe connection right there?
Yes,
Yeah.
the alignment looks perfect.
Bring it down 5 centimeters, watch the coupling.
Steady. Lateral adjustment needed on the right.
Looks aligned, lower to secure. Alignment looks good here. And the valves? Set perfectly. Excellent, all clear.
Alignment looks perfect on this side.
All secured here, ready for rollout. Looks good to go.
Easy on the descent. Hold it, we need to shift left slightly. Perfect, bring it down slow.
All valves polished and secured. Bogie assembly is clear. Final torque on the drive shaft bolts, please.
Right away.
All connections secured.
Confirmed. Commencing lift.
That should do it.
All tolerances met.
Perfect. Tell the crane we are ready for the transfer.
Easy now, watch the alignment on the rear pins.
Clear on the left side, coming down steady.
All clear, she's seated. Alignment on the bogie is perfect. All specs confirmed.
Torque is set on the coupling bolts. We are good to go.
Look at that finish. Took us months to get the brass looking like this.
It's perfect. Runs like a dream, too.
Absolutely beautiful work, team.
A true masterpiece.